Hello and welcome back. In this episode I'm going to show you how to create a new photo gallery from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is go over here to Photo Gallery, click on Add a New Photo Gallery, and then you're going to get to this section. This is showing you all your current photo galleries. So you're going to click on the Add New. Once you're here, you want to give your gallery title a name. And then we're going to want to add images to the gallery. Now there are two ways to add images. One way is to click the upload files and you can upload new images, or you can select the imported from media, which is going to show you all the media that's on your server currently, so any files you've already uploaded. So as you see, these are the files that are already on the server and they're actually already in a photo gallery, so we're not going to need to add them. So most likely what you'd be doing would be clicking the upload files and adding those. As you see, once you're done, you just hit the publish button and now you have a new photo gallery called This Is a Test. So we're not going to do that. So in the next video we're going to show you how to add sample work projects to an actual post.